Fresh espresso anywhere, anytime. Whether you're camping, traveling, or at the office, the OutIn Nano portable espresso machine brings barista-quality coffee right to your hands. This lightweight and portable coffee maker weighs just 670 grams, making it perfect for travel. With a 7,500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, you can brew up to 5 hot shots or 200 plus cold shots on a single charge. Self-heats water to 198 degrees Fahrenheit in just 200 seconds. 20 bar pressure for rich crema, just like a professional espresso machine. Works with both ground coffee and Nespresso capsules USB-C charging. Perfect for your car, RV, or on the go. No need for bulky machines. Just press one button and enjoy perfect espresso anywhere. Ideal for camping, road trips, hiking, and even your daily commute. Upgrade your coffee game with the OutIn Nano portable espresso machine. Order now. Link in the description.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more amazing gadgets. See you next time.